It's a journey like a roller coaster.
फैमिली का फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था.
We always believe in speed.
We believe in teaching and learning continuously.
That's how that rapid word popped up in our brain. I started my career with dairy industry, Amul, for 3 years, and then I joined a company called KHS Machinery. I used to travel a lot, sometimes more than 200 days, 250 days in a year across the world. Yes, that was a tough time. I could not spare time for my family. I didn't know like what my daughter is studying, how is she doing. I could not take care of my family.
Initial days we are migrated, my father and my great grandfather migrated from Maharashtra in search of job, find some kind of job in textile industry mainly as a labor. 1999 March I entered into KHS in India into a service department. So technical service is always a difficult job where you have always be on a task, but the learning scope, you have ample of opportunity. Traveling all across India and also worldwide, and then doing the job alone, standing alone in front of customer, handling their expectations. It's a quite phenomenon when it comes to technical service job. I put it that way, that whatever I am today is just because I could cater into technical services for 16 years.
Yeah, you see, actually when I left my company, KHS Machinery, thereafter because of my personal growth, I joined a company called Toshia and Water Solutions. तो होता ही ऐसा ना कि जॉब छोड़ने के बाद भी कम से कम 6-7 महीना ऐसा गया कि कस्टमर्स का पुराने कस्टमर्स का फोन आता रहता है कि अरे यार विष्णु भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है, मशीन में यहाँ पर रखे हैं. तो एक दिन इट वॉज अ संडे, आई रिमेम्बर, छुट्टी था, तो मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ घर पर बैठा था एंड आई वॉज एक्सप्लेनिंग हिम लाइक कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, पुराने कस्टमर्स का भी फोन आ रहा है एंड वो पूछ रहे हैं कि इसमें क्या करूँ, इसमें क्या करूँ, मशीन में कुछ गाइडेंस ले रहे हैं. तो डिसाइड किया कि हाँ यार चलो, कस्टमर्स हमें इतना रिस्पेक्ट करता है कि जॉब खुलने के बाद भी इतना फोन आता है, तो let us do something for ourselves.
We thought of, yes, why not? We can do that. If we can do for others, we can do for our own also. Then we started this company, and that company was basically primarily for the technical services, spare part selling and trading of few equipment. We started with the name Rapid because we always believe on very quick, whether it is decision making, whether it is taking action, whether it is responding to customer, whatever. We always believe in speed.
That's how that rapid word popped up in our brain. कि हाँ, ये कंपनी का नाम ही हम रैपिड क्यों ना रखे.
The journey of Rapid started. It was only a small office.
Oh, I remember that. Maybe in 2010 एक छोटा सा ऑफिस लिया था हमने राधे एनक्लेव करके जगह पर है, 3rd फ्लोर पर. इट वाज लाइक 20 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफिस, 3 लोग 4 लोगों की मुश्किल से बैठने की जगह थी. सो दैट वाज बिगिनिंग ऑफ आवर कैरियर. उसके बाद में एक सीधपुरा एस्टेट में एक छोटा सा फैक्ट्री जैसा माहौल बनाया जिसमें 10-12 लोग बैठ सकते थे. तो ऐसे करके हमने रैपिड इंजीनियर्स का ग्रोथ देखा है. सो फ्रॉम राधे कॉम्प्लेक्स रेंट our own office, then a small factory, then we rented another factory, and that way we had grown.
When we started with the 3 people company in 2015. Now we are a team of 85, but it was never an easy task.
Rapid is not one-man show. We are not successful because we have a team. Fortunately, you won't believe, Rapid engineers जो इनिशियली 2010 में जिसमें मुझे ज्वाइन किया था, there were 3-4 employees. आज भी वो हमारे साथ associated है. And they have seen their growth. They have seen that they are growing along with the company. So we are lucky enough that we have a loyalty. हम लोग कंपनी या एम्प्लॉई मैनेजमेंट वो कल्चर में नहीं. We all are united family. हम लोग अपना सारे फेस्टिवल साथ में करते हैं, हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलने चले जाते हैं, सब लोग साथ में लंच डिनर पे चले जाते हैं.
The most important key breakthrough is one of the most valuable brand, that is Heineken. We have got the breakthrough for Heineken for 40,000 cans per hour complete project. So there are important customers like Mohan Mekin, GVS Beverages, Amara Breweries. Hell is the international brand we are catering to. Axiom Beverages, Bokaro Distilleries and Breweries, Godfather, quite an interesting name in the beer industry.
वरुण बेवरेजेस में जो पेप्सी का बड़ा बॉटलर है, तो उनको भी, उनके मैनेजमेंट को भी हम कन्विंस कर चुके हैं कि हाँ हमारा मशीन यूज़ कीजिए. देयर इज अ कस्टमर सोम ब्रेवरीज, उन्होंने हमें चैलेंज किया कि चलो ठीक है, मुझे 4.5 महीने में लाइन चाहिए, 10 लाइन चाहिए, एंड दैट टू इंडिया का हाईएस्ट स्पीड जो आज तक कभी इंडिया में किसी ने सप्लाई नहीं किया, 50,000 कैंस पर आवर. हमने तो ले लिया एज अ चैलेंज, चलो ठीक है करेंगे, क्यों नहीं होगा. बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आए, वी हैड सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स एंड फाइनली वी कुड मेक कस्टमर स्माइल. नाउ देयर लाइन इज परफेक्ट. नाउ वी हैव अ लर्निंग. यस, वी कैन डू 50,000 कैंस पर आवर. इंडिया में किसी ने नहीं किया, बट वी हैव डन इट.
2015 early, we came to meet Mr. Bhomik. Bhomik is my third partner now.
I actually had an opportunity to meet Vishnu and Rupesh in early 2014, where our thought process and wavelength matched in the sense of what we wanted to do in the filling and packaging line. And it made sense to collaborate with them, keeping in mind that they have a very extensive 30-year experience in the field of filling and packaging. So while we were growing in Rapid Bevtech, in 2019, we had an opportunity to start up Rapid Iron as one of the verticals of Rapid Group, in which we work with a water treatment plant and softening plant as well. We cater to pharmaceuticals, food industry, and many other industries where water treatment plants are required.
We always try to synchronize ourselves with that technology, with those technology to be incorporated in our machines.
This is what I have been always doing for my entire career. We always believe at Rapid Bevtech that we have to upgrade, and we are upgrading ourselves, the technology and the capability of our team.
Now customers have started recognizing us. So next 10 years का हमारा ये विजन है कि जैसे हमें इंडिया में रिकग्निशन मिला, वर्ल्ड में मिले. तो जितनी वर्ल्ड की बड़ी बड़ी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज है जो वर्ल्ड वाइड जिनका नाम है, उस नाम के श्रेणी में वहाँ पर हमारा भी नाम हो, एक रेप्यूटेड नाम हो.
Our vision would be is to grow our Rapid family stronger and continue with the women empowerment and keep on hiring new talents where they can learn from the family itself.
The key reason, the happiest customer, the happy supplier, the most important thing is our own team. Happy, satisfied, our team.
We are rapid. 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 We are rapid.
We are rapid.
We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid. We are rapid.